They can do you any harm. Eat on, eat on. Oh, but mommy, we're scared. We're scared. So you mean you're not afraid of us? We'll deal with you today. We'll deal with you today. Oh, see you guys, you're party today. I'll